Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we'll show you how to create consultancy services within your consultancy system setup. This is where you define the services you offer, what they cost, and how long they take, so your team and clients are always on the same page. Let's get right into it. From the sidebar, search for the consultancy module and click to open it. Next, click System Setup to open the configuration options. This opens the system setup for consultancy, where all your setup sections live. Click Consultancy Services to manage and configure the services you offer. This opens the Consultancy Services page. From here, click here to start adding a new service. In the form that opens, provide the service details, the service name, the charge, the estimated delivery days, and its current status. Setting clear charges and timelines here keeps your pricing consistent and your clients' expectations realistic. Next is the document type. This section pulls from the document types you set up earlier in the system setup, which we covered in the previous tutorial. To add one, click Select Document Type to open the dropdown, then choose the document needed for this service. If that document is essential for the service, tick the Is Required box so it's never skipped. To add a new document type, click Add Document Type to create a new document type for the consultancy service. Once all the details are in place, click Create to save your new consultancy service. And there it is. Your new service now appears on the Consultancy Services page. And that's a wrap on consultancy services. You've just learned how to set up a service, define its pricing and timeline, and attach the right document types. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial as we continue setting up your consultancy management system.